Step right up to the big top 5.
Europe, a continent where history weaves itself into everyday life, where every turn reveals a tapestry of cultures, languages, and landscapes. As diverse as its charm, Europe offers a myriad of travel experiences. From the vibrant cityscapes to the tranquil countryside, from the sun-soaked beaches to the snow-capped mountains. Today, we embark on a journey through this fascinating continent, exploring the top 5 countries that have captured the hearts of travelers worldwide. Are you ready to discover which European destinations made it to the top 5? Let's dive in. Starting our countdown at number 5, we land in the vibrant country of Spain, a land where flamenco rhythms and bullfighting spirit pulsate through the air. Spain is a treasure trove of experiences. Its history is a rich tapestry woven with tales of vibrant civilizations, and its architecture is a testament to this, from the awe-inspiring Alhambra to the avant-garde works of Gaudi. The country's diverse landscapes are a feast for the eyes. Imagine sun-kissed beaches, rolling vineyards, snow-capped mountains, and tranquil olive groves. And speaking of feasts, Spain's cuisine is a gastronomic delight. Think paella, tapas, and the finest Rioja wines. But what truly sets Spain apart is its infectious zest for life. Whether it's during the lively fiestas, the passionate flamenco performances, or the simple afternoon siestas, the Spanish know how to live life to the fullest. From the bustling streets of Barcelona to the quiet vineyards of Rioja, Spain promises an experience you won't soon forget. Next on our countdown, at number 4, we find ourselves in France, a country synonymous with romance and refinement. France is a sensory delight, a place where your taste buds can dance to the rhythm of its world-renowned cuisine. Picture yourself savoring a buttery croissant in a Parisian cafe or sipping on a glass of champagne straight from the vineyards. Not to be outdone by its culinary prowess, France is also home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks. The Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, and the Palace of Versailles are just a few examples of the rich history and stunning architecture that awaits you here. But the allure of France extends beyond the city limits. The rolling lavender fields of Provence, the sun-drenched vineyards of Bordeaux, and the snow-capped peaks of the French Alps all contribute to the country's stunning countryside. Whether you're strolling along the Seine or indulging in a wine tasting in Bordeaux, France offers a taste of the good life. Coming in at number 3, we journey to Italy, where history, art, and food converge in a symphony of sensory delight. Italy is a country that's been shaping the world's cultural landscape for thousands of years, from the ancient Romans to the Renaissance masters. Here you can walk in the footsteps of gladiators, marvel at the brushstrokes of Michelangelo, and savor the rich flavors of authentic Italian cuisine. Every corner of Italy is steeped in history. Imagine exploring the ancient ruins of Rome, where the grandeur of the Colosseum stands as a testament to the city's imperial past. Or journeying to Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, where art and architecture come alive. And let's not forget the culinary journey, from the rustic kitchens of Tuscany to the pizza parlors of Naples. The main reason to visit Italy? Its rich cultural heritage that's been preserved and cherished, ready to be explored and appreciated. From the Colosseum in Rome to the canals of Venice, Italy is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. At number 2, we visit Greece, a land where ancient myths echo in the wind and the sun kisses the sea. Greece is a treasure trove of archaeological wonders, with each stone whispering tales of gods, heroes, and the dawn of Western civilization. From the iconic Parthenon in Athens to the Palace of Knossos in Crete, history is alive and tangible. But Greece is not only about the past, it's about the now. The vibrant street life, the laughter in bustling tavernas, the allure of azure waters surrounding beautiful islands. And then there's the food, a symphony of fresh flavors that dance on your tongue. Whether you're exploring the ruins of Athens or lounging on a beach in Santorini, Greece offers a unique blend of relaxation and adventure. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, taking the top spot at number 1 is Iceland, a country that seems to have been plucked straight from a fairy tale. Iceland, the land of fire and ice, is a marvel of contrasts where glaciers and hot springs coexist. The locals, known for their warm hospitality, are as enchanting as the landscape itself. You might even spot a puffin or two among the unique wildlife that calls this island home. But the main reason to visit Iceland is its breathtaking natural beauty. Imagine standing beneath a cascading waterfall, hiking through a lava field, or soaking in a geothermal pool. From the northern lights to the Blue Lagoon, Iceland offers a travel experience that is truly out of this world.